As the nation's leading environmental services company, Waste Management provides safe and sustainable solutions to your environmental concerns. Solutions like residential single-stream recycling. Everyone knows that recycling is the right thing to do, but it hasn't always been the easiest thing to do, until now. With single-stream recycling, residents can mix all their recyclables together in a single container, then put them out on collection day for pickup. Waste Management collects the materials, takes them to a processing facility, and using advanced sorting technology, separates them to be recycled appropriately. Across the country, more and more cities are adopting single-stream recycling programs because, frankly, they work. On average, single-stream programs collect 30% more materials than multi-stream programs. Talk to Waste Management about helping your municipality meet your sustainability goals. To learn more, go to WM.com.